Hi, sweeties! This Margot Robbie from The Wolf of Wall Street recreation by Jackie is going to blow your mind. Prepping the face first, so the makeup ends up flawless. Then adding a little bit of concealer all over the T-zone and under the eyes to get that lifting effect. A little bit of contour on the cheekbones to make those cheeks more defined. Contouring the nose as well for that definition. Setting the concealer with a loosened powder and cleaning out any product that could have fallen. That bronzer and blush is looking fantastic and super natural, baby. Time to give those brows a little bit of shape and fill them in so they look naturally fuller. Taking care of some little details around the nose until we have the desired shape. So cute already, and we haven't even done the eyes yet. I am loving that beautiful pink blush already. That super shiny highlighter is going to stay the whole day glowing. Little details that make quite the difference. Next, we're moving on to the eyes. Applying that warm brown eyeshadow all over the eyes and then making those outer corners a little darker this time. Bringing out the line to the lower lashes as well and smoking it out perfectly. What do you guys think of this one so far? That dark eye pencil gives the eyes just the right definition. Love it already. She looks so different, just like Margot. A little bit of that super bold mascara on the lashes. It is time to line those lips with a nude lipstick, but add that vibrant and juicy lipstick on top. Told ya! Fabulous! You nailed it, sweetie! Looking gorgeous!